This is a Winter Garden police vehicle, Ford Fusion, and it was on display. I thought I'd show it. It has a police interceptor engine, which really is the regular V6, but it has some modifications, I do believe. What they are, I'm not sure. You can see the display of flashing lights is pretty awesome here. Nothing fancy about the wheels, that's for sure. But notice the front push guard. Now inside you can see a little bit of the front compartment that has a computer, all things they need to run a police car, really. Check registrations, etc. And we see in the back here a very practical area for transporting somebody that was apprehended. There might be blood, there might be vomit, etc., etc., who knows? So the interior of this is ultimately scrubbable. You can just hose this baby down, as you can see. Plus has a pretty good barrier between the back and the front of the car. And of course bars on the windows. Again, more flashing lights. And there you see the police interceptor badge under the taillight there. And this is a flex fuel vehicle, so it can take the gasohol, heavy gasohol mixture, rather than just the 10% that they're selling now at the regular gas pump. Interesting vehicle.